Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today's recipe is an amazing red lentil soup. It has a great blend of spices. It's vegan and so good. Let me share this recipe with you and let's get started. I'm gonna add a generous amount of olive oil to a deep pot. I let the oil get a little hot before I add half a cup of finely diced onion and 2 cloves of garlic, smashed and finely chopped. I'm gonna add half a cup of diced carrots. I let them sweat a little bit and then I'm gonna add some spices. I'm gonna give them a minute or two and then I'm gonna add 1 big tablespoon of fresh ginger. And I usually grate the ginger, freeze it, and use it when I need it. It's gonna thaw in no time at all. And now I'm gonna add the rest of the seasoning. A little bit of black pepper, some cumin seeds, paprika, and turmeric. Mix around a little bit and let the spices get a little toasted. Now I add a cup of canned crushed tomatoes. I mix a little bit and then I'm gonna add 2 cups of washed and drained red lentils. And I always leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. At this point, I'm gonna let it cook. I'm gonna add 6 cups of hot boiling water or vegetable broth, whatever you like. I just used water. I'm gonna let it come to a boil, cover it and let it cook. Don't forget about the most important seasoning, salt. And half an hour to 40 minutes later, it's gonna look something like this. The only thing left to do is add a generous amount of parsley and cilantro. This is a mix of both. I add them last minute, turn off the heat, serve and enjoy. I hope you give this soup recipe a try. It's so good for you, so delicious. Leave me any comment or any question in the comments box below. And until next time, bon appetit! You can choose to add a squeeze of lemon juice if you prefer.